In the Indian equity markets, the short term does have inherited volatility, but the fact remains that in the long run, growth is inevitable. But now you have a reason to cheer. We have a savior that will protect your hard-earned money with everything he's got. He is the result of years of research and collective intelligence. His bioengineered cushion feet can absorb the impact of mighty falls. His shield can take the toughest of blows. He can weather the worst storms with valor. Mr. Absolute, your best friend for volatile markets. So why should Mr. Absolute be an active part of your portfolio? What sets him apart is his ability to go up steadily and the way he can control his descent. When the market goes up, he rises up the slopes in a secured way, firmly consolidating positions with every calculated leap he takes. And when the market starts sliding, he can control his fall using the power of his shock-absorbing shoes, hedging his positions, sliding down, losing minimal ground. He is calm, analytical, and does not let emotions get the better of him. So, if you are looking for investments beyond fixed deposits, debt funds, and gold, if you choose safety over risk, if you want to add a flavor of equity to your investments, if you want regular dividends, Mr. Absolute is your money's best friend. He knows that the true winner is not the one who rides up fast, but the one who can restrict his downfall better than others. And this strategy generates respectable returns. He knows that in the long run, a defensive mindset brings more glory. He is the right choice to balance the volatility in your portfolio. Thousands of investors call him Mr. Dependable because he does not let your money take a beating. He has outperformed Nifty in the past and is equipped to repeat his success time and again. Many investors now call him the Zero Heart Attack Fund. They know that he is looking after their hard-earned money every night and every day. Mr. Absolute, call him Mr. Shock Absorber, for it takes all the jhatkas the market has to offer with a smile.